Is your Microsoft Store not downloading apps on Windows 11? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll guide you through several troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue and get your apps downloading smoothly again. Whether you're facing download errors, slow downloads, or stalled app installations, this comprehensive guide will help you fix the problem.
First, open Start and type Settings. Open your settings. Click on Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Locate your Microsoft Store. Click on the little dots. Click on Advanced Options. Click on Repair. Wait for your store to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Reset. Press Reset. Wait for your store to reset. Now launch your store.